How to install softball base anchors correctly. Imagine stepping onto a softball field and knowing every base is perfectly in place. Properly installed base anchors are key to a safe and fair game. Let's walk through how to do this right from start to finish. First, you need to set up the field layout accurately. Use a string line from the back point of home plate along the foul lines to mark the base paths. For a standard fast-pitch softball field, the distance from home plate to first and third base is 60 feet. Measure carefully with a tape measure to ensure each base is exactly where it should be. The bases should be aligned so that the foul line runs directly under the base, with the base covering the foul line on the fair side. Next, place the base upside down at the measured spot and trace its outline on the ground. This helps you see exactly where to dig. Dig a hole about 2 feet by 2 feet wide and around 8.5 to 9 inches deep at each base location. Make sure the bottom of the hole is level and compacted to give a stable foundation. Now, take a square-shaped metal or polycarbonate base anchor, which prevents spinning in the ground. Place a 1.5-inch square wooden stake in the center of the hole as a guide. Slide the anchor over the stake and press it into the soil until its top is about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch below the surface. This keeps the anchor from catching on maintenance tools or equipment. Align the anchor so that the back foul corner of the anchor matches the foul corner of the base location. Use the string line and tape measure to double-check the position relative to home plate and other bases. Make sure the anchor is level and at the correct depth, adjusting as needed. Once aligned, pour concrete around the anchor within the hole, filling it up to about 2 inches below the surface. This secures the anchor firmly in place. Be careful not to let the concrete touch the wooden stake inside the hole so you can remove the stake later. Allow the concrete to cure fully, which usually takes 24 to 48 hours. After the concrete is set, attach the base to the anchor post. The base should fit snugly without wobbling or spinning. Check that it is level and aligned with the field layout. Repeat this process for all 3 bases, making sure each one is square with the field center line running from home plate through the pitcher's rubber. Remember to keep the string line tight during the entire process to maintain accuracy. Moistening the clay and infield mix before tamping helps create a firm, level surface around the anchor. If you're unsure about measurements or field squareness, consider consulting a surveyor or using specialized field layout tools. Following these steps ensures your softball bases are installed securely, properly aligned, and ready for safe play. Proper installation not only keeps players safe but also makes sure the game is played fairly and according to regulation standards.